Alright, today I show you this DJI Osmo Mobile 6. It's an unboxing video. I'm going to show you what's inside, what I expect and everything. So we're going to start with cutting it up. I notice a sort of like smell when I cut it open. I'm not sure if like the manufacturers nowadays they purposely design scent into their products so that it gives some sort of impression of the customer itself. So yeah, this is my impression after I cut it open. Now to open the box. Oh, so like is it open here? You peel it here to open it. So yeah, there you go. I was almost gonna destroy the box, like you know, to force it open. So it shows you some general guidelines on a quick start. So, right. Comes with a nice bag, some stickers, into the merchandise and stuff like that. Quick start guides, right? Okay. What's this? Okay. The bag, right? What else is here? Alright, you get a cable. Charging cable. Nothing else. So nothing else. There's a tripod. Alright, very nice. Really feels like quality it is. Holder, spring, right? The device. So it is a gimbal system. Right? Silica gel. Not sure what's this. If required, use the anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone in the phone holder. Oh, okay. So perhaps it's for like some points to actually secure the mobile phone onto the holder. I'm not sure if I need this, but yeah, comes with the packaging and all. So alright, so what's in the box? You can see everything here. The box, let me take the box out of the way. So you can see like in the overview what is in the box. So yeah, all these parts and components, you should expect all of this. And the quick start guide itself. If you look at the quick start guide, I can show you some guidelines and all. I can record it on video as well. So, can you see? Alright, I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna scan it through the camera. You can pause and read it if you want. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna flip it. Flip it. These are the safety instructions, you can see. So, yeah. Yeah, so you can pause it at any time and you can read it if you desire. Alright, I'm gonna put it back. This is some sort of simple, straightforward instructions. If you have a look at them, so you know what to expect. So this is what it is. Right? Alright. This one, what's this? Not quite sure what this is. Oh, this is a warranty card. So I'm not sure if this is of interest to anyone, but alright, let's have a look. The words are pretty small, so give it a good scan. Yeah, right here. Good scan and a good scan. Yeah, alright. Okay, so you can see right here, everything laid out. So this is what you can expect. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much everyone for joining by, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless. Cheers, love you all.